Another important contribution that Marx and Engels made to human understanding was the materialist conception of history, which was eloquently described by Engels in his tract, Socialism from Utopia to Science. The materialist conception of history starts from the proposition that the production of the means to support human life and, next to production, the exchange of things produced, is the basis of all social structure. That in every society that has appeared in history, the manner in which wealth is distributed and society divided into classes or orders is dependent upon what is produced, how it is produced, and how the products are exchanged. From this point of view, the final causes of all social changes and political revolutions are to be sought, not in men's brains, not in men's better insights into eternal truth and justice, but in changes in the modes of production and exchange. The materialist conception of history allows us to understand the continuity in human history and grasp some of the long-term inevitabilities. It can guide us as we develop the strategies and tactics our present-day struggles require. Class struggle is the common thread that runs through Marx and Engels' interpretation of history and political economy. Marx and Engels famously wrote in the Communist Manifesto, "The history of all hitherto existing society is the history of class struggle." They further asserted that the emancipation of the working classes must be conquered by the working classes themselves, that the struggle for the emancipation of the working classes means not a struggle for class privileges and monopolies, but for equal rights and duties and the abolition of all class rule. They described the conduct of the capitalist class in this manner. The need of a constantly expanding market for its products chases the bourgeoisie over the whole surface of the globe. It must nestle everywhere, settle everywhere, establish connections everywhere. Through the lens of historical materialism, Marx and Engels described the struggle between workers and capitalists as the culmination of the class struggles that have plagued humanity throughout the history of human civilization. Historical materialism also provides us with the orientation we need to confront the challenges of late-stage capitalism that have brought us face to face with several existential crises. Future videos will examine the strategy and tactics we need to rid ourselves of class-divided society, create an economic democracy, and extinguish the threats to our continued existence.